In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to a Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your AdSense code so ads can load correctly across your site. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to monetize. From the site dashboard, head into your settings. If you don't immediately see where to put custom code, don't worry. We'll use the built-in search to get there quickly. In the settings area, use the search bar to type code injection. This is the Squarespace feature that lets you safely add snippets into your site's header or footer. You're looking for the option that mentions injecting HTML into the general, header, or footer areas of your site's markup. Click that to open the code injection panel. If you see a prompt to upgrade, click Upgrade. Code injection is available on specific paid plans, so you need that level to add your AdSense script globally. Once your plan supports it, or if it already does, close the prompt to return to the code injection screen. Now, click into the header field. This is important. The AdSense global tag belongs in the header, so it can load on every page before the page content. Paste your AdSense code snippet exactly as provided by Google. Don't edit or trim the script, and avoid placing it in both header and footer. Header is the right place for the main AdSense tag and auto ads code. If you've also created individual ad units in AdSense, those typically go where you want them to appear, but the global tag still lives in the header. After pasting, double-check there are no stray characters or duplicated scripts. Then click Save. Squarespace will apply the change site-wide. A few practical tips as you verify everything. Ads can take some time to appear, especially on new sites or right after AdSense approval, so give it a little while. View a public page in an incognito window and temporarily disable any ad blockers when testing. Make sure your site isn't password protected and that your regional privacy or cookie banner is in place if required, since AdSense relies on user consent in some locations. If nothing shows after a reasonable time, confirm the code you pasted is the latest from your AdSense account and that you haven't added multiple conflicting tags. That's it. You've opened your site, found code injection, upgraded if needed, placed the AdSense code in the header, and saved your changes. Once Google begins serving ads, they'll load consistently across your Squarespace